Hello friends, how are you? I'm Inamullah Shah. Today we are going to discuss how to teach listening and how to improve listening. You know that mother tongue is an automatic process. An illiterate mother can also teach. You know that there are no notes, no multimedia. Mothers follow listening repetition system. And the child is listening in such a powerful tool that he enables to speak a language. But on the other hand, learning a second language is very difficult. You have to put efforts to learn a second language. Do you know? If the ears of the child is not good, he cannot speak, although his throat, his vocal cords are good. Isn't it clear? One of the main reasons for getting students to listen to spoken English language is to let them different varieties and accents. In today's world, they need to be exposed not only to one variety of English, but also varieties such as American English, Australian English, Caribbean English, Indian English, or West African English, or Pakistani English. When people of different nationalities speak to each other, they often use English too. So that a Swedish flight attendant might well have to understand a Japanese woman's English variety, just as an Argentinian might need to be able to cope with the Russian version. There are, of course, problems associated with the issue of language variety. Can you imagine? Within British English, for example, there are so many dialects, there are so many differences. The differences are not only in pronunciation of the sounds, but also in grammar. Are you getting my words? So now we are discussing the principles behind the teaching listening. Okay? Yes. The first one is tape recorder is as important as the tape. The tape recorder is as important as the tape. So, this means that you need to be sure that the tape recorder is listening all around the classroom. And the second one is preparation is vital. So, the students, the teachers need to listen also more and more so that they will be able to comprehend or they will be able to evaluate the students as well. And the third one is one will not enough. This means that there should be repetition. Isn't it clear? And students should respond to the content of listening, not just the language. Like you can say that, do you agree? Yes, I agree. Do you agree? No, I don't agree. So, there should be, students should respond to the content of listening, not just the language. And the last one is, different listening stages demand different tasks. There should be different tasks at different stages, and it depends upon the level of student. So these are the principles behind the teaching listening. Tape recorder is as important as the tape. Preparation is vital. One will not enough. Students should respond to the content of listening, not just the language. And the last one is different listening stages demand different tasks. Now we discuss what are the don'ts of listening. Don't pay attention to the appearance. The second one is don't be prejudiced. Excessive liking or disliking creates problem in the process of listening, you know. ज़्यादा किसी को जाना भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा किसी को डिसलाइक करोगे तो भी लिसनिंग में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो जाएंगे. And the third one is don't nurture preconceived ideas. Preconceived ideas are those ideas before the listening. Don't nurture preconceived ideas. Now, how to improve listening? What are the techniques to improve the listening? Give more time to listening, because practice makes man perfect. And the second is, there is also a technique like note taking. And attune ears. The ears should be attuned. And there should be an open communication between the students and between the teachers. And interest is very important. And there is an eye contact between the speaker and the listener. Sometimes it happens when there is an eye contact between the teacher and the student. So the students are making gestures like this. Yes, I'm getting understand all the concepts and all the ideas. So on the other hand, he is not getting the concepts. So this is something problematic. It is nonsense. So you should listen through your ears, not your eyes. I hope you got understand. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.